in the office today. Yeah. No, I'm just helping out, deploying some checkpoint devices to some locations today. Yeah. Yeah, it's my first time deploying these checkpoint devices. These are just edge boxes that just deploying at some sites. And just verifying the configuration before I go over there where I'm going to put it, making sure everything is what it's supposed to be. Right now I'm just replacing this old 1400 edge box with a new one. It's a 1500 series. I took the configuration out earlier. Now I'm just setting it up. We have a small little outage right now. Told them about 10-15 minutes. And then
so on the web GUI, can you're still on the security management page, right?
Yes, I'm still there.
Okay, so under security policy, that should change to a green check mark.
So I still have the exclamation mark triangle. Should I fetch the policy?
Give it a second.
Okay. Yeah, this is my first time doing one of these alone. So it's good to get out and start to do stuff on your own, but I still have my co-worker that's helping me where I get stuck. I'm trying to do
a refresh that page, maybe?
Yeah, right? Okay, yep, got a green check mark now.
Okay, great. Okay, just go fetch that policy just to make sure, and then have them test.
I'm going to ask you to test it out.
Perfect.
Alright, so that was good. Everything is up and working again. I didn't mess anything up. So now I'm just going to pack up this old one. Just do that down. Sometimes I feel like I'm always in a rush. I don't know why. Slow down and breathe. Just unplug this without unplugging anything else. It's this old one here. Let's take my power supply. I'm always nervous when messing around with cables, and especially when they're not tight. You don't want to miss and unplug the wrong cable or unplug one by accident and bring down the whole network, you know? Yeah, but this is fun. Almost tempted to leave this.